Greetings, Fenol The Great. How to make money loves you. In order for money to love you, you must see money for what it is. Money is a tool you use, a commodity that you use to make a purchase. If I have mangoes, you give me money, I'll give you my mangoes. But what kind of relationship do you have with money? Do you find it hard to keep money? Do you find it difficult to attract money? In this video right now, you're going to learn how to make money love you. You must not have any bad thoughts or bad ideas, bad belief about money. You must not have any negative emotions when it comes to money. And money will come to you. Money will stay with you. Wherever you go, money will always find you. This is how you make money loves you. Fenol The Great. People will bring you money. People will give you money. People will share money with you because you are now open to receive money. Because you're empty of negative energies. Because your mind is free of negative beliefs about money. 1 million, 2 million, 10 millions, 1 billion. I have no emotions when it comes to money. They are just numbers. 10,000, 5,000, 20,000. You can attract all that. If this is what you really need in this moment. Whatever you need, the universe will provide. Whatever you want, the universe gives.